going on, guys? It's your boy Carson back with a brand new video. Today we're building my dream pressure washer setup. So let's get into it. So I picked up this brand new wide angle lens, so shout out to my dad for hooking me up on a good deal for it. But I picked up this 10-18, really liking it so far. Let me know what you guys think. We have to head over to Home Depot and grab some 2x4s to fit the whole thing. So I'm kind of going for an obsessed garage style setup. Yeah, let's go to the hardware store, pick up the stuff that we need so we can get started on it. It's about 4 p.m. so hopefully we finish today. If not, this will carry on till tomorrow, but let's go. There, just got back from Home Depot. That took way longer than it should have because apparently I don't know how to use ratchet straps, so we're gonna pick this up in the morning. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 of this project. Yesterday, it got fairly late. I did end up cutting a couple boards. I cut like 2 boards. I was having some issues with my saw, so needed to kind of test it out and kind of get it fine-tuned. But everything's fixed, so we're good there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the STI out so I have a little bit more room to work over there and start disassembling things. So let's get into it. Alrighty, y'all, update for ya. Got all of the 2x4s hung on the wall. Did a 6 inches here, down here, and then this one I just kind of eyeballed it. Of course, this is not 6 inches right here. I reinforced this because this is where my hose reel is going to be, and then this is where the shelf is. So shelf, hose reel, that's where that will be. Today, we're gonna be finishing up my pressure washer wall, and I am so excited. Got the final touch here in this box, and it's from somebody special, so let's open it. So this is the Clearly Mad by Lifetime Products DI water system. So this is absolutely essential if you're a professional detailer, an at-home hobbyist, or just like a spot-free rinse. Thank you so much for Lifetime Products for sending out this DI system. Let's get into it. Information on there, so we probably shouldn't show that. But this is their resin. All right, so they sent me out the Spot, so the Clearly Mad, which is their automotive detailing side, DI&I's Spot-Free Car Rinse Plus. So it comes with its own garden sprayer that you can just connect to it and go. The thing I really like about this system is it's super small, super mobile. So the super cool thing about this system is you can see down here is it starts at blue and then goes to tan. When it's tan, that means it's time to replace it. So you don't really need to check with a TDS meter if you don't want to, but I mean guys, look how small this is. I know the wide angle lens makes it look a lot bigger, but it's just nice and small, compact. A bunch of our fittings, tool to change out the cartridges, system itself, cool little caps that you can put on there too. Yes, if you were running like a professional detailing shop and you're running 4 or 5, maybe even 6 washes a day, I probably wouldn't recommend this one. They make a little bit bigger one that makes it a lot easier. They can go through a lot of cars. With me washing the STI, the Forester, and the Accord maybe every week or so, this is gonna last me quite a while. With this, I'm gonna go ahead and set it up down here, and so it's out of the way, not in the way of anything, because I am working with limited space here. So again, I just wanted to say a huge shout out to the folks over at Lifetime Products. Thank you so much for sending this out. This is amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and put it all together. We're gonna figure out kind of how we wanna mount it, and I'll take you along with that process. We gotta go ahead and finish what we've started over here before we get to install the DI system. I'm gonna go ahead and plumb the bucket filler as well as the lines to run this. So I got this all plumbed up here, went ahead and put a shutoff valve there, and then this is my bucket filler. I need to figure out a better solution on how to mount that. I think I might add another tab there just for extra stability, but I have this a little loose right now just so I can fit the canisters with the resin in them, and then I'll tighten it down so it can fit behind the PEX piping. I do need to go to the hardware store to pick up some more fittings to fit in here to have it hardwired, but I believe I'm going to go up and around and then go up to the pressure washer. Alright, so a little bit of an update for you. Took a little bit of a break and just threw my AirPods in and kind of zenned out to do this. I did end up finishing the set on this side, so I went ahead and of course finished this on camera, you guys saw. Then I did on this side, so just a quick little fitting here, and then goes up to another fitting over here, all the way up over here. So I did unfortunately run out of these crimps, so I need one more here, one more here, one more here, and then the hose bib, which will be right here. All I have to do here is just turn it off like this, and then I'll go ahead and use that water that's going through here. This was super easy to mount. I just had to move it just a little bit there. Oh, good morning, guys. Welcome back to day number 3 of this water line install. 14 trips to Home Depot. We started our day off today with another trip to Home Depot, so I had to pick up a little bit more of the piping, but I think today is the day that we are going to finish and show you guys the results. So I gotta finish up a couple of clamps over here, and let's get into it. Alrighty, as you can tell by my sweaty face, we are finished. Everything is ran in here. Line is ran up on the top. Fortunately, there's a little mishap up there where we couldn't find the stud. Said it was there, but it wasn't. I did have a time lapse going over here, but my camera battery died in the middle of it and I didn't hear it. So, but we're all plumbed up. Everything's looking pretty good. The only thing that I don't like is this. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that up. Alrighty guys, and that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. We got this all finished. This line, I did end up having to call a plumber, so I am gonna have him fix that. I don't really wanna mess with this since it's going straight into the house, so he's coming in a couple days. But other than that, everything else is doing good. I'm going to do my first wash today on this, my girlfriend's Accord. Focus, maybe, there we go. And so I'm gonna test the whole system out. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Thanks again. I'm super excited to have a spot for your rinse on the car. Thanks again so much for watching. If you guys want to pick up one of these kits, you're more than welcome to down in the link in the description. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that, so if you like it, awesome. If you don't, no big deal. But thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys later. Peace.